In this video, I'm going to walk you through one of the cleanest smart money concepts buy setups I've traded recently. We're going to break down this chart step by step and talk about liquidity sweeps, break of structure, premium order blocks, inducement, and finally, how I executed the buy trade all the way up into buy-side liquidity. If you've ever struggled to understand why the market moves the way it does, or why your trades get stopped out right before the real move, this video will open your eyes. So sit back, relax, and follow along with every detail, because smart money never moves randomly. Let's begin with the very first thing that caught my attention, the liquidity sweep. If you look closely at this area, the market created a cluster of equal lows. Every time retail traders see equal lows, they assume it's a strong support level. But what they don't realize is that support is usually just a liquidity pool. Under those lows, there are stop losses from buyers and sell-side liquidity that institutions want to grab before pushing price in the opposite direction. So what happens? Price dips below these equal lows, sweeps all that liquidity, grabs every stop loss it can collect, and instantly shows a strong rejection. This is the first clue that tells me smart money is active and preparing for a bullish leg. Right after the liquidity sweep, notice how the market reacts. Instead of continuing downward, it shifts very aggressively upward. This strong move breaks a previous swing high. This is our BOS, the break of structure. A BOS immediately after a sweep is one of the highest probability confirmations that the trend is shifting. It tells me the sweep wasn't random, it was intentional. Liquidity was collected, and now price is ready to move in the real direction. Think of BOS as the market shouting, "I'm done going down, I'm ready to go higher now." Once I have a liquidity sweep and a clean BOS, the next thing I do is locate the order block, the origin of the impulsive move. This bullish order block is simply the last bearish candle before the strong bullish displacement that caused the BOS. This is the institutional footprint. This is where big positions were placed. Smart money almost always returns to rebalance this zone because there are unfilled orders. So instead of chasing the move, I wait patiently for the pullback. I mark this order block as my key point of interest, the exact place where I want to look for my buy entry. Before price returns to my order block, something very important happens: inducement. The market creates a small low just above the order block. Retail traders think this is new demand forming, and they jump in early. But this is exactly what smart money wants. This small low becomes a liquidity trap. Once enough retail traders buy early, smart money drives price downward just enough to take out their stops. This is inducement. It's the liquidity created to fuel the real move. When I see inducement form, it gives me even more confidence that the order block below will be respected. Now, before taking any trade, I need a logical target, and in this case, the target is extremely clear. Above price, we have clean highs. These highs represent buy-side liquidity, the exact place smart money aims to push price into. Remember, institutions don't move price without purpose. They always target liquidity pools, because that's where big orders get filled. So from the moment price enters my order block, I already know where my take profit is, at the buy-side liquidity zone above. Price dips into the order block, sweeps inducement, and instantly shows a bullish reaction. This is where I place my buy order. My stop loss is safely below the order block, outside the range where smart money collects liquidity. My take profit is set at the buy-side liquidity above. As the market pushes upward, it respects the OB perfectly, climbs through the imbalance, and delivers cleanly into the liquidity target. This is how you trade with smart money, instead of against it. So that's the full breakdown of how this SMC buy setup played out. Liquidity sweep, BOS, order block return, inducement, and final delivery into buy-side liquidity. If you found value in this breakdown and want more 6-minute educational SMC videos just like this, drop a comment and let me know which chart I should analyze next.